Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. We are going to look into upgrading our repeater site. One of the local villages has a water tower that has some space on it, and we are always connected in with the local area trying to help out and serve the community. Adding another repeater would be a thing. Here's some footage I got of what the tower site looks like, what the inside of a water tower looks like, and some of the pads and buildings that are around. Take a look. There will be more to this project as it unfolds. We currently are just in the beginning phases of moving our repeater from one location to another, and I wanted to share with you what that journey looks like. So be sure you're subscribed to the channel for upcoming updates on this repeater move. And hopefully we'll get it done before I'm no longer in the area and I can continue to keep sharing updates with you. There's a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.